I greet you all. Welcome to our today's lesson. I am Teacher Pamphil. I'm taking you Mathematics Class 8. Today we are going to learn about time, speed, and temperature, whereby I will start by units of conversion, whereby we know if you want to work out speed, we need to know that our speed can be either in meters per second or kilometers per hour. Very important. If you want to convert, the simplest way is that 5 meters per second equals to 18 kilometers per hour. Going forward, I want us to know that time, speed, and distance are related. How? We know that distance equals to speed times time. Time equals to distance over speed. Speed equals to distance over time. And above all, we have average speed, in which average speed equals to total distance covered over total time taken, including the rests. Here we include the rest in total time taken. I have a very good example here. Let us read through. A motorist drives for 3.5 hours at 72 kilometers per hour and 288 kilometers at 64 kilometers per hour. What is her average speed for the whole journey? We have said average speed equals to total distance covered over total time taken. So in the first place, we are going to have time and speed. So we are supposed to get distance. We know distance equals to speed times time. Coming here, our speed is 72 kilometers per hour. We are going to have 72 kilometers per hour. We multiply by 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. This one will give us 72 times 7 over 2. 1, we are going to have here 36. Then we shall multiply 36 times 7. 6 times 7, that one will give us 42. 2 carry 4. 7 times 3, 21. Plus 4, that one is going to give us 25 kilometers. So in the first part of the journey, we are having 252 kilometers. Let us move to the second part of the journey, whereby we are told 288 kilometers at a speed of 64 kilometers per hour. Here, we are given distance and speed. We need to get time. We all know that time equals to distance over speed. Our distance is 288 kilometers divided by our speed, which is 64 kilometers per hour. If you divide this one, we have 288 divided by 64. How many times? We can simplify. 64, we have here 32, we have 144. We have here 16, we have 72. We have here 8 here, 2, 8 here, 9. So we have 4.5 hours. Now we are going to combine this. Total distance equals to the first part of the distance covered, it was 252. 252 kilometers. We are going to add the second part of the distance, which is 288. So the total distance covered here will be 2 plus 8, that one will give us 0. We add 1, we carry 1. 1 plus 5, 6, plus 8, 14, carry 1. That one is going to give us 540 kilometers. That is the total distance covered. We want to get the total time taken. In the first place, we had 3.5 hours. And in the second place, we had 4.5 hours. That one we are going to add total time equals to 3.5 hours plus 4.5 hours. If you add this one, it will give you 8 hours. Coming back here, average speed, total distance covered over total time taken. Total distance covered was 540 kilometers divided by 8. I want us to go step by step. We can say 2 here, 4, 2 here, 270. 2 here, 2, 2 here, 135. 2 here, 1, 135 divided by 2, we are going to get 6 into 15, 7.5. So the average speed here will be 67.5 kilometers per hour. What you need to know, to find the average speed, you need to get the total time taken and the total distance covered. Thank you so much.